Here's a first look of the TECNO Camon 50. But before we dwell on its key features, let's unbox it. Here's everything out of the box. TECNO Camon 50 unit, warranty card, clear protective case, SIM ejector tool, USB-A to USB-C cable, and a 45-watt wall charger. We got the Nebula titanium color for our review unit. The TECNO Camon 50 sports a modern flat design across the front, back, and sides, while its curved corners make it comfortable to hold. At the back, you'll find TECNO's swan neck elegant curved design paired with a matte textured finish, giving the phone a cleaner and more premium looking. A dedicated AI button is conveniently placed on the left side, providing quick access to ELA and flash memo features. For durability, the TECNO Camon 50 comes with IP68, IP69, and IP69K ratings along with military durability certification. The screen features slim bezels and a large 6.78-inch AMOLED 1.5K display with a 144Hz refresh rate, giving it a smoother and more premium feel. It also reaches up to 4,500 nits of peak brightness, easier to view even under direct sunlight. Plus, it comes with several eye comfort features to help reduce eye strain during extended use. At the core of the TECNO Camon 50 Pro, it is powered by a MediaTek Helio G200 Ultimate octa-core processor, 8GB of RAM, and a generous space of 256GB of storage. Audio output has dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support. Now, the TECNO Camon 50 is equipped with a dual camera setup, led by a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS and a Sony LYT700C sensor paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. For selfies, it comes with a 32-megapixel front camera. The camera app also packs useful features like Flash Snap 2.0, Live Photo, AI Auto Zoom, AI Art Gallery, and an AI GC Portrait for added creativity. Thanks to its triple IP rating, you can even shoot underwater using Aqua mode. For videos, the Camon 50 can record up to 2K at 30fps with options to switch to 1080p or 720p depending on your needs. The TECNO Camon 50 packs a massive 6,500 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging, reaching a full charge in just 1 hour and 18 minutes. The phone ships out with TECNO's iOS 16, which is based on the latest Android 16. The user interface uses the TECNO Glow Space, a cleaner and softer look with translucent backgrounds and blur effects that mimic glass. For those who love personalizing their phones, iOS 16 comes with an AI theme generator that adds a fun and creative touch. You can choose from 4 options: image to live wallpaper, text to image, and image to theme. In general, these are the things we like about the TECNO Camon 50. Overall, the TECNO Camon 50 is a solid, affordable mid-range phone, especially for mobile photography or content creation, making it a capable everyday shooter without the flagship price. And at the end of the day, the TECNO Camon 50 delivers a solid mix of performance, a vibrant display, long battery life, and capable cameras. It's a well-rounded mid-range phone that's especially appealing for users who enjoy mobile photography and experimenting with AI-powered features. The TECNO Camon 50 is priced at $13,999, available in all TECNO stores nationwide, authorized partners, and online e-commerce platforms on Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok Shop. If you like this video, please subscribe to our social media platforms and visit megabites.com.ph for more tech and lifestyle news.